Have you heard of the platform that recommends you stories to help you solve the problem you're facing? You might have, because it's true. This platform does exist, and while building it, we made sure to integrate not only cutting-edge search engine technology, but also all available knowledge on the nature of experience itself. Let me walk you through it. Type analogydialog.com in your browser and set your language. Here you will find what the system was designed for, so if you're interested, take a look around. If you want to, you can also just dive right into the world of experiences by scrolling down and clicking on Login. If you haven't registered yet, just fill out these fields. You will get an email sent to your mailbox and you're all set to log in. We're on the home page now. In the middle, you will find the experiences others shared, each with a brief summary. You can see the other users in the top left corner, the news feed on the right, and above it, all the people the system finds might be interesting for you based on the stories you wrote. Click on New Case in the top row and you can get started writing your own story. Think your story through with the help of the scheme on the right, then just fill out the fields. Find a title. The title of your case is basically the question that brings this particular story to mind. All you have to do is tell it. Give the reader a quick background of your story, just enough to make sure he or she will understand the context. Then describe the challenge or difficulty you ran into that made you do something about it. Your goal, what you hope to achieve. And tell us just what you did, how you solved the situation. What was the result of your solution? And what would you say made this solution actually work? This is just one way to fill out the fields. Fill them out any way you like it. You can also attach a file to your case. Upload any document you think is related to your story. When you're all done, just click on Next. This page is where you can add keywords that describe and summarize your story for the best search results. The system automatically offers you keywords it finds might be relevant to your story. Keep the ones you like and add others you think might be important. You can mark the most important keywords with the exclamation mark. These will give the summary of your case, while the other keywords help the search engine find analogies. When you're done with that, just click on Next, and the only thing left is to select the privacy setting for your story. Choose the option you like, then click on Finish. Congratulations! You've just joined the Experience Sharing team. Here you can see how many other users saw your story, their comments, and how many of them found your case useful. You can add your own comments too. Now that you've written a case, you will discover new functions. You can read similar cases from others thanks to our semantic search engine, and you can also read other stories from the same author or even get to know the author better. These are the people the system thinks you might like to contact since you have similar interests and would have topics in common. If you'd like to just browse among the cases, click on For You and the system will show you not only the latest and most useful cases, but also the ones that look like the most interesting for you personally. By clicking on Content, you will find all the cases in the system. If you're looking for a solution or inspiration in dealing with a particular situation, use the semantic search. Type the query and click on the search button. Let's see what the system can show us. It brings up a bunch of cases, showing you the context for each one, but you can also see a lot of keywords on the left here. These are keywords that are often related to the one you typed in. Based on what the system knows, these other keywords might be interesting for you too. You can narrow the search results by clicking on a keyword so you can get closer and closer to what you're looking for. If you've found a case you're interested in, just click on the title to read the whole story. You can set your profile by clicking on your name in the top row, choosing Profile from the list, then clicking on Settings here on the left. You can upload a photo, add information about yourself, and you can also change your password. When you're done, just click on Save Preferences. It is just this easy to use Analogy Dialog's platform. Give it a try yourself.